Good morning, boys and girls. It's May 18th. It's Monday, and we are going to move forward and develop an understanding of the theory of plate tectonics. This is what we believe today. We believe that the Earth's lithosphere, the crust in the uppermost mantle, is broken into these huge slabs we call tectonic plates. Those tectonic plates are made of both oceanic and continental crust in addition to the uppermost mantle that is located underneath the crust. The tectonic plates also are moving. We know that they are moving. We infer the motion is caused because of convection currents in the semi-solid and plastic asthenosphere. Remember that convection is a form of heat transfer that occurs in fluids. Fluids are gases, liquids, and even those semi-solids. So we have warm material rising because it becomes less dense, cooling and sinking because it becomes more dense. So we have these nice convection currents or convection cells all within the semi-solid asthenosphere. Those convection cells are flowing beneath the lithosphere, and they actually drag the lithospheric plates in whatever direction that the convection cell is flowing in. And here's a fun fact. The tectonic plates move in many different directions. They all are not just moving in one direction. And there isn't one convection cell in the asthenosphere. There are many. And they move ever so slowly at about an average rate of 2 centimeters per year. That's kind of like watching your fingernails grow. We know our fingernails grow, but on a daily basis, can we see them grow? No, we can't because it's just ever so slow. So how did we come to our understanding of the Earth's lithosphere and asthenosphere? Well, where did this theory of plate tectonics come from? It actually is the sum of two earlier theories, the theory of continental drift, which was created between the years 1910 and 1912, and the theory of seafloor spreading, which was actually created in 1960. Now, the theory of continental drift really just talks about the continents. The theory of seafloor spreading talks about the seafloor with the continents. Now, plate tectonics is the sum of those two theories, continental drift plus seafloor spreading. So continental drift plus seafloor spreading actually equals plate tectonics. Today and for the rest of the week, we're actually going to go backwards in time to the early 1900s. And we're going to learn about the history of plate tectonics by first becoming very familiar with that first theory, the theory of continental drift. So to start today's lesson, I would like for you to complete bell ringer slide for me. And the bell ringer slide is actually a nice little what I think I know and what I want to know about continental drift. And in order to complete this, I'd like you to watch the short video clip of Scrat in Ice Age, Continental Drifts. Watch that. It's a fun little animated film and definitely a fictionalized film, loosely based on some good science, however. So I'd like you to watch that film and then tell me one idea of what you think you know about continental drift. And it's okay. Don't be afraid to be incorrect because by the end, you're going to know everything that you need to know about continental drift. And then I want you to think about that whole idea of drifting continents and tell me one thing you'd like to know before we really get into our study this week. So once you complete the bell ringer, then I would like for you to complete the short reading assignment and please highlight that reading assignment. You get credit for highlighting. Highlight in Cami and answer the very quick follow-up questions for today. So bell ringer, reading, follow-up questions due today, due tomorrow, Tuesday, on the theory of continental drift.